Hi, I'm Mark. I'm one of the founders, owners and inventors of SUPA, and I'm here today to show you exactly how we help facilities like Moore Hall here to ensure that each guest arriving has a fresh and perfectly heated hot tub. A little bit about Moore Hall Restaurant with Rooms. The food, accommodation, service and environment delivered here is truly world class. So what is SUPA is a portable propane fuel boiler that can both heat water as you pass water into the hot tub, or it can recirculate water to any preset temperature that you have. Let me show you a few more details. So SUPA is the main boiler unit with cowl. You have a digital control system here. You have a pump which can be used to suck water in and pass the hot water back into the system, and it's fully portable and on wheels, so you can put it where you want. You are a lodge facility like this and you've emptied out your hot tubs, or you're a glamping facility, or you're just simply refreshing your own hot tub, then you position your SUPA in place and you then plug the pump in to give it power. Place the hot outlet hose, we can connect that quite simply, and pop that into the base of the tub. What I've actually done is I've put a little bit of water in the bottom of the tub, so cool water, so there's no potential for shock there. And then the hot hose will simply connect with a rapid fixing on the hot outlet. What I then need to do is connect my garden hose into the front of the pump, but there's no need to switch the pump off. I will reconnect our gas. The next thing I'm going to do is start to put cold water into SUPA before I switch it on and start to heat. So now we have water flowing through the system, we can switch it on and it's immediately telling us that the water's at 13 degrees C. We can switch that to mode 2 and we can set the temperature to 40. You can see now that the water's flowing, the gas is ignited, and the output temperature is rising until it balances out at 40 degrees. There we go. So when you finish using the system, what you need to do then is just drain all the water through the system so there's no chance of freezing during the winter months. To do that, you'll simply unplug the main hose once that's switched off, and then just switch on the pump for as long as it takes until the water stops coming through. Okay, so now your hot tub's full of cold water, you've let it cool, and you want to reheat the hot tub quickly. So the way that we're going to do that is we're going to connect our outlet and inlet hoses and pop them into the tub. So the first one is I'll put the hot in and connect that underneath, and everything is a snap fit. I will reconnect our gas, which is already switched on, but I'll use the fast fitting, and then I'll connect our cold hose and pop that into the tub as well and connect it to the pump, which is going to pull the water through, the cold water through, heat it and pop it back in until the temperature of the tub is at your preset temperature. So to do that now, I'm just going to start the pump running by switching it off and just check here that we've got a good flow rate from the hot hose. So we can see that's coming through now. It's just doing that well. Got a really good flow rate there of about 13 litres a minute. And if we switch it on now, you can see what the temperature of the tub is. So this tub at the moment's at 29 degrees. We want to set that to 40 degrees. So the first thing that we're going to do is switch it to mode 1, and we'll set that to 40 by switching it up. And immediately you see it ignite. What this will do now, it will add around 25 degrees to the incoming temperature. And when it measures 40 degrees with the temperature sensor inside, it'll then switch the gas off, and you then switch the pump off and go to store the unit. So when you finish using the system, what you need to do then is just drain all the water through the system so there's no chance of freezing during the winter months. To do that, you'll simply unplug the main hose once that's switched off, and then just switch on the pump for as long as it takes until the water stops coming through. So you can shower before or after using the hot tub by connecting the garden hose to the inlet on the pump, not switching the pump on, and then setting to mode 2 at any temperature you want. As soon as you press the stop button that stops or starts the water flow on the shower, that will then cause SUPA to ignite and feed hot water through at your preset temperature.